it's me, and today I'm in my room, but where I can play with. You see that? Under the Barbies and some coin questa and Shopkins. Shop. I have the shoes and hats here. Sorry. Sound. I got the food. Just like stuff for home. In here, I have the bags with the two owners at the store. I have a little one with some red hair and just sits. She sits on this. And the real cashier, her sister, she has her hair like that and her eyes. They're sitting on food chairs, you see? And then they're sitting on these stuff that my sister gave me because she painted them when she was born. So yeah, let's start the video. They are shoppers shopping for Shopkins. They are biscuits getting picked up. They are food and eating shop. Hats and homewares. They are customers and this. And one thing, they are gamers. Gaming. They're games on the computer section. So let's start. What should I buy? What should I buy? Wait. I think I know what to buy. Look at my baskets. It keeps falling on the floor. Sorry guys, my fingers. Could you even believe that? My basket is falling on the floor. Oh God. My basket is falling on the floor too much. Okay, so let's shop. I want a lollipop. Pasta. Okay, pasta. Sorry. And this. Not a wedding cake. Or cake. This. Sorry. This is what he wants. So let's. Shopping basket. Let's zoom in. I think I need this one. This one. This little hat. And this heel. So let's go to the shopping basket. Let's stuff those in. Move on. Next. The boots are still drying. I don't need those boots. I only want shampoo. So let's put in the basket. Let's put in the shampoo. So it's time to check out. Go and check it out. So, we have check it out. Excuse me. Oh yes, yes, yes. Let's see. You bought Shopkins. Yeah. I think you want 5 bags. 5 bags. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh God. No. Don't fall. 4. And I got the 5. God, thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Oh God. Sit down. I was sitting down. Oh, thank you. Okay, here is the next stripper. We're gonna shop. Oh yes, Sunbell. Sunbell. And I'm ready to shop some Shopkins. So yeah, I'm actually ready to shop some Shopkins. Yeah. You guys see this? On part 2. So bye.